Another Fufu.
Cause I don't.
Can you get another Fufu?
You dipping your fingers in.
Can you get another Fufu?
Just cut it in half.
But if you can, can you get another Fufu?
I said if you can't get video, I could have looked right. Don't push me. I could have looked right, but she didn't say that.
I don't got no name for them. They just people, I guess.
What you mean? What are you talking about?
All right, yeah, come here.
No, my God.
My wife is right here. I don't know why she's playing.
My wife is right here.
All right,
bro, you know you're supposed to have like some water on your fingers, dip it in, so they won't be doing all this to your fingers. You know, it's like right. Getting like.
This is my friend Yana right here.
Hi,
AKA
guys.
10 Head Yay. Oh, 10 Head Yay. My bad, 10 Head Yay. Alright. So, what the other? Oh, that's right. So, we got some fufu.
You gotta do
try this.
Here, so it won't be sticky to your fingers. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, before I got here. I don't do that.
See? That's what we're gonna do.
Oh, snap. That's alright, come on. Bro, what are you doing? Let me see.
Look at this dude.
Alright, so this is a mukbang or mukbang, whatever you want to call it. You know, with Cutie JB, and that's me. 10 Head Yaya. Alright, we doing some mukbang stuff. Bro, stop that. Apparently, I don't know what this do.
It's supposed to make it not stick to your fingers, because when I was touching it, it was sticking my fingers. See?
I'm about to get it right in it. I don't care about none of that. We're going to start with the first question. If your life was a movie, what would it be called? Bro.
I don't know.
Yeah!
Can I just... Okay, I feel like...
I ain't gonna lie. That kind of looks nasty. I'm not even gonna lie. I guess you do.
It don't taste bad. It got a hit to it, though. It don't taste bad. What do you think?
You kind of hit.
It kind of, see? Hold on.
Look kind of spicy.
It's kind of spicy. Hold on.
But it's hard right there.
It's just like green.
My wife is, recording right here looking all cute. That's kind of hot. Ain't gonna lie to you.
Ugh, I don't like the fufu, though. Yeah. I agree. I do not like that
fufu. The fufu kind of straight. I can't even taste it. I ain't gonna lie.
It don't taste like it. That's
cool,
why I don't like it. I'm weird. If it don't taste like it, I need some water because I need to swallow this fufu. Can you give me some water, mama? Because I cannot swallow this fufu by itself. But the soup is fire. But the fufu,
that's cool. All right.
It tastes like greens.
If your life was a movie, what would it be called?
What would I call it? I don't know. My life is boring. I don't really do nothing.
My movie would be called The Minds of Greatness. Because I'm, great. And my mind is great. So the minds of greatness.
It's just like, that fufu, I agree with people. Like, the fufu tastes, I don't know. It don't taste like nothing but... Right, you need to say these.
Woo!
The soup by itself is good though.
I'll let you.
But I say.
Talk to him.
I don't know what to say.
Y'all doing the video yet?
No, we just started. Come here. You can sit down in it too. We just started.
The fufu is good.
It's gonna be like a 15-minute video. You must as well just sit down. Why not?
Yo, I swear they make this with greens because I'm tasting greens. You don't taste greens? You don't taste greens?
I do taste the greens. It is greens.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
You stupid.
They're not. It tastes like greens. I'm tasting greens. It's good.
Have you went to a concert? Have you ever went to a concert? What was the last concert you went to?
It was Lil Wayne. It was like back in like 2016.
Dang.
I don't go to concerts like that.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You was kind of rough with that food. I'm not feeling this fufu, bro. I might just get a spoon and just start eating it.
I know, that's what I told you the fufu tastes kind of like
nothing. It's messing with me. I ain't never went to a concert.
The fufu was okay, but
I never went to a concert yet, so.
maybe next time try with some rice.
That's okay.
You know they got some rice. Where's the meat? Oh, I want to try the meat. Let me see. This soup hidden by itself. They can keep that. Next time I would just eat. This is soup.
Alright, let me check this. Good. We're good.
If anything,
My last
I'll probably
mukbang.
try it with some
Listen,
rice.
my last mukbang, I recorded the whole video, and it didn't have no sound. So I might be doing like 5-minute checks every time. It's cool. I just don't like. I'm not feeling the fufu.
I told you. You
And
should have tried it with some rice. But I mean, look, the fufu. It just don't. I don't know.
It
tastes
ain't gonna
funny
lie
to
to you,
me.
that beef kind of hidden.
It's like it just tastes like
Mukbang.
nothing. It just tastes kind. It got a funny taste to me, but I like the soup though.
Do you believe in aliens?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you believe in aliens or not?
I mean, we ain't the only ones on the planet alive.
Well, duh.
I mean, we ain't the only ones on the planet's alive, you know. The soup is good.
Yeah, obviously.
You was eating it with some more fufu?
Yeah, obviously there's
Yeah,
plants
I
alive
can't.
and stuff. I'm talking about in a different.
Yeah, I'm talking about different.
Different
like
what?
I can't do the
A different what? Because you still talking about this earth. What?
planets.
There you go.
Dang. That spice gets you.
All right.
No, this food, that's good. You still eating it?
Yeah.
I can't do the fufu. I think I'll be better off with some rice. But next time I'll get it, I want some rice.
Yeah. All right. Put your thing in there. Next question.
Mom, can you give me a spoon? JB, shut up. It's good.
Smell kind of hidden. I'm not like the fufu is not bad. It's just not good. You know what I'm saying? Like damn. I'm not messing with that food.
It's fire. I just don't like the fufu. It tastes kind of like, I don't know what it tastes like, but it doesn't taste good to me.
How many relationships have you been in?
Serious?
Whatever you want to consider it. I'm gonna put some on my plate.
I say 3. It's hot, ain't it?
Eat it with that fufu.
I don't like it. The soup is fire, but this fufu. You want to taste a piece of fufu? You want to taste some? You want to taste it? Yeah.
Come to the
A
camera.
little piece.
Why not? Got all cute for me, just for me, not the camera. Oh my goodness.
Here. It tastes like greens. The fufu, I don't really like it. What you think? You're not supposed to
When
even
you-
chew
when you
it
start-
anyway. You're supposed to just
Come
swallow.
on, cause I ain't got no meat
But-
in here. No homo.
It's like mashed potatoes for me.
It do?
No, it don't.
No, it don't. Exactly. Like,
What?
what is she talking about?
But you kind of need just a little bit of fufu because it's spicy.
Not to me. I eat it without the.
It's too spicy to be just eating the
I can
greens.
eat that. Put me some. Give me some.
Give me a plate. You have half this, young girl. I
I'm
might.
under half of it. You gonna give me some rest of the stuff with it?
She said, I don't know, the fufu, it does not taste like mashed potatoes. She said it does.
So you supposed to just what? Swallow?
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
you
I'm
supposed
pretty
to chew the
swallow.
food.
You're supposed to swallow fufu.
I'm not doing that. I'm not just swallowing nothing. I don't trust that. freaking mess around and
Y'all wasted the fufu.
Because it just tastes. It don't. I don't know.
all right, we not even at all right. I'll say only 2 though to relationships.
What's this other?
Cause I be, you know what I'm
That's
saying?
meat.
What is it?
Ain't no player or nothing.
Beef.
I don't be dating females for real. I just be talking to them.
He player. Stop
What's
playing.
so bad about the fufu?
It's not
don't-
really hitting.
This
Yeah.
is tender.
It really is. That meat really is going. I ain't gonna lie.
That meat.
I wish they put more in there.
That meat.
That meat was kind of going for me.
They don't mind cooking meat.
I think this is green. Is this green?
I'm gonna cut mine up.
Eating it by
Bro, this
itself.
mug is hitting, ain't it? I'm sitting there like, you got the steak in yours. Where my steak at? I mean beef. I mean the steak.
People said
I can go get some more of this.
she liked
It
it.
closed at 5. I should have told him I didn't get it. Cause he called me and was like, cause he gave me somebody else's because he was like, because mine when I ordered it didn't have no name on it. So he gave me somebody else's. But he just called me and was like, you can come back up here and get it. We'll wait for you. I
You
should
should
have got
have
another.
said that.
I wasn't.
I didn't think, but yeah, you
Yeah.
don't know if it's that good.
No, cause you could have just went up there and got
What y'all
it.
don't like about the fufu?
It's not that I don't like it. It's just not like
it
doing
just
that.
tastes different. It's just not doing nothing really.
Yeah,
for the
it's
soup
not
to
doing
me.
nothing like. It's
I
not,
would try it with some rice. Honestly,
It's
I
not
think it would
like
try
with
it
this.
some rice.
When I was eating the greens by itself, I'm like, oh okay, got some
This is
cake and
perfect
then
with this.
But listen,
She just
maybe I'm
stirring
doing
it up.
maybe I'm doing something wrong because the way you eating it got me feeling. Because you mixing it up. I don't know. Let me try that.
Let me see.
I wish y'all could. I wish y'all could see what she doing. She. Dang.
I don't know.
Alright.
What y'all talking about?
I can't get with
It's
the
spicy
fufu.
though.
All right.
It is spicy.
All right. Ask me a question. Go ahead and look at the questions if you need to.
Okay. It's spicy, but I can eat it by itself.
This dog is going crazy.
Woo.
Eat that fufu.
I'm trying, but it's not really good.
It's
like
not.
It doesn't have flavor.
It tastes like mashed potatoes.
But listen, it does not taste like mashed potatoes without salt and pepper.
Mm-hmm.
It don't even
Baby.
smell like mashed potatoes.
I can
I
do
do
that.
not
I can
agree
say
with
that.
y'all. I'm sorry.
It do.
No,
It's
it
hot
don't.
though. It's so spicy. Like I need some milk or something.
Drink some water. Some milk. I don't see what y'all talking about.
Oh. She's just
If
one of those.
oh, if you had to shut up.
She's one of those people that just eats everything, I guess. 'Cause she's talking about mashed potatoes.
shit is nasty. It does not
She's
taste
hella
like
nasty.
I can go get me some.
Go to Truth Avenue,
And so
girl.
what's that other stuff?
That's egusi soup with beef in it. I think if I get it, I'll get egusi soup with the rice instead.
You done? Y'all done?
You can have that.
I need some more fufu.
You can have mine. No! Give her mine. You ate half of yours. I
And
don't think
she's
she want
my
mine either.
mama.
I was sitting there eating.
This is my mama.
And that's my wife. We
Oh
still
my
going
God.
there?
You need some more fufu in it?
I think so.
She like this, and it's okay. If you had to rename yourself, what name would you choose?
If I had to rename myself,
What name would
greatness.
you choose?
That's how I would name myself. Greatness.
Boy,
Greatness. Imagine playing football. Greatness.
no,
like,
but
come on.
honestly, I think when people tried this, they didn't like
That's
this
what you gonna
part.
name your son?
The soup was fire.
Greatness. Oh. I want to name my son DJ. Always, now since I was a little kid, I always
DJ.
name my son DJ. Just DJ because when I was like 5 or 6, I heard that song, Go DJ. Yeah, that's my DJ.
Say this, say go DJ. That's my DJ.
And I was always tell him,
Fire!
I always wanted to tell him this song is, I made this for you.
You ain't made nothing.
I mean, somebody made it for you.
It's good.
It's spicy as hell. Yeah.
Yeah, but the fufu, I think next time I'm gonna just get rice
Put
with
your
it.
mouth on fire.
What other choices did it have besides rice?
It had Well, besides
Rice, fufu, and it had a
was
third
all types
choice.
of weird stuff. I don't even know.
It was
I was
rice.
about to get some desserts. They had these sugar dough balls.
I seen them donut balls.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I
With
was
some
like,
little sauce.
but
And
the-
they
but the
wings.
but the donut balls
Did you see
came.
that house wings?
The
Them look
donut
good.
balls came with this chili sauce though. I wasn't messing with
They
that.
house wings.
I look, you got a
fire.
sweet tooth right now. I need some snacks.
Hey, y'all did you get full?
No, I'm about to get some wings, and it's about to be
You about
another
to order
thing.
some?
Over there.
You about to get some
What
what?
kind of wings you got?
Hot wings. It's. I'm about.
Where?
Can you make me some
Hot
wings?
wings.
Some hot wings from where?
Yeah.
Hot wings?
Where you get some hot wings? So,
See, look. This is how
not
we
gonna
should
lie to
have
y'all. This is enough of this. I'm done with it.
That is not a no.
She's
Uh,
It
weird.
may be a
Okay.
required taste.
Okay, listen. Yeah, no.
You already
it's not,
said that. It is
yeah.
a required taste.
On a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 7
Yeah, that's how I say a 7.
because I like the beef. But I just don't like the fufu, and that's what
Right.
everybody. But that's what everybody been hyping up.
Look,
And
these
they
are-
wasn't hyping up the Igusi. They was hyping up the fufu. Okay.
The food
Right.
was that ball.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get that ball, no. That
Right.
was something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And everybody was
You
hyping
eat
it
that
up.
ball with nothing?
No, they be
They be
dipping
eating it with
and
stuff,
it's
but
just
I'm
like,
saying
it
they
just don't
be
taste
hyping
good.
the fufu up itself. And I'm
Yeah,
not. I'm not
fufu
feeling
is
it.
so good. I'm like,
So
the
we're just
fufu
gonna,
ball
you know,
is
ask
not
a question
it.
real quick before I go get my spaghetti because that's what I'm about to eat. They're not about to play me like I'm gonna eat something. Oh, we got this from FANNIES. What is it? FANNIES African Cuisine. I don't know where y'all got that at, but we got one down
Yeah.
here. So, all right. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 18.
I'm
Grown.
21.
He's lying. He's 17, y'all.
Yeah, I'm 17. I don't know. Do I look 17?
Yes.
Like 17? I look older or younger?
Can you put me some wings on there?
Do I look older or younger? Do I look older or younger than 17?
You
I
look
look-
your
I
age.
don't look older?
You just look your age.
I'm a big, hey. I'm
Yeah,
big.
but I give
Play
this
me like
fufu. I don't know what to give it because it just don't taste like nothing to me. I kind of want to play with it.
Play with it like it's Play-Doh.
Hey, what's one thing you can't live without?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Food.
You're not answering no questions.
Food. I can't live without food.
I can't live without football
I mean,
because
are you meat?
without
Yeah.
football,
That meat was good. And it tastes like green.
I love the meat. I ain't gonna lie.
They should just make a whole meat dish. Just make a neat meat dish.
They
Meat
probably
is
do.
good.
They probably have that.
Just give me the meat and some rice.
What did he say?
She just eat
She
anything.
just
like,
killing it
girl,
too.
it's
You like you
not
should have been right
right.
here sitting next to me because you drilling
She would have
it.
been like this.
This is good. Easy.
It's hot, but it's good. I think I got another piece.
Rate it 1 to 10.
I'll give it a 9.
See, she liked it. We said a 7 because it was like, we didn't like this part, but the soup was good. I think I would eat the soup with rice. Like,
This
girl.
is good. But all right, one thing I can't live without is football because that's how I take out my anger and all that. That's how I be releasing all my negative energy and stuff, and like music and stuff.
Delicious.
'Cause I won't be listening to music like that, but when I be making it and stuff, it be helping.
I'm going to tell this girl. She told me to tell her when I tried it.
Delicious.
On her phone, we making a YouTube video.
Okay.
Like I just don't get it, you know?
Okay. Mom, can you
I
make
don't
me some
understand people.
wings? Okay, pause the video because then I got to make my wings. Then we got to come back with.
It's a what? Say it again.
It's some spicy ass food.
Yeah, over.
It's good, though. I like the soup for real.
I see my wife, y'all.
camera?
I have to get my wife. I have to get her on camera real quick.
The food is, I mean.
It was good. So what did you rate? What did you rate it? Because
Yeah,
you
we
obviously
were all
liked it the
together, 'cause
most.
You was smashing it.
You
She
drill.
wasn't.
You was look.
We was just eating the soup.
Had it in the bowl. Was going crazy.
You gotta mix it all together.
No, that's how you eat it. You put some picket and.
That's you just go, man. That's how you supposed to eat it. You supposed to eat it with your fingers. They don't use
Eat it
fork.
how-
No.
I don't care.
Wow. I like your
Whatever tastes
edges.
good to
You see my baby did her edges all good.
This boy crazy.
He over there eating too. This dude. But don't look at. Don't attack me.
What's it called?
All right, yeah, I'm walking away from you. All right, go back to that. So we changed foods. I don't know why we eat this with a spoon.
You was in it. spaghetti with a spoon.
Why you got food?
No. That's the one I use for the fufu. That's what. That's guys still.
Did you even warm your food up?
Mm-hmm.
Who's gonna eat cold?
What's your favorite food though?
I like seafood.
I know you do.
Like sushi.
Seafood. We gotta do a seafood movie.
I'm not doing that.
Why?
Don't like seafood like that.
That's your fault.
You don't like seafood.
Because his family made it every weekend last year.
They used to literally make it every weekend.
Every weekend. And I was like, JB, bring me some.
What?
Some seafood.
You was eating it every weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Oh snap!
What you do?
No. No. She eating chicken and fries. My wife over there. Are you still eating fufu?
No.
Can I taste one of your fries? Thank you.
JB always like to eat my food. We be at a restaurant eating and he be over here eating my fries. After he just ate a big old burger and fries himself.
He swallowed that burger. He didn't chew it.
I swear he took like 3 bites of the burger and was done.
Are you judging me?
Good boy.
Are you judging me?
By the time I looked up there again, that burger was gone. I said, how did you eat that quick?
Question was,
Did you even taste it?
yeah. You still. Question is, how did we meet?
We met in Spanish class.
Spanish class. Oh, we did. Yep, we met in Spanish class.
But I didn't even talk to you. I don't even remember talking to you.
The first like couple months, I never said anything to you.
I didn't say anything to nobody in that classroom.
How did we like? What? Why did we become friends? Oh,
He fucking that shit
who
up.
does like
Stop, y'all be
She was good.
I was not
They came
intimidating.
to see me. Not the fact that this girl was literally over here just eating bone. She not ain't no meat on the bone, dude. What? So timid and like shy. She didn't say nothing. She was just in a all class period.
Yeah, I was just quiet.
Espanol. Like this.
Yeah, I used to hate talking in front of everybody. Like, I do not like
And then
that.
one day, I brought her on a shell. We was movie about her. Yeah. I started talking to her and I used to bark and stuff, irritate people. I used to irritate people, but everybody, I was just like I wasn't the class clown, but I was really cool with everybody, including the teacher.
So birds. Teachers did not care.
The teacher loved it. And then from there, we just became friends.
Yeah, nobody used to say nothing about it, but I used to be like, JP, shut up. Like, don't nobody want to hear that barking. Like, what are you doing?
That's because everybody else was laughing at it and amused by it. You was just the only one hating for some reason. This used to be a class about something. Why are you staring at me?
Girl, I swear he used to be saying to me,
I daydream
no.
so much. I be sitting there just daydreaming like this. She be over there. She be over there. I'm looking this way. Why are you staring at me?
No.
Bro, every time, oh my gosh, leave me alone. I'm not even looking at you. Yes, you are staring at me.
We used to like this, y'all. And he would be looking at me, and I would look at him, he'll smile, and I'll be like, I'm like, don't look at
You're
me.
lying. You're lying.
God. You did that a few times. You would smile, he would smile at me, and I'll be like, and smile back at him.
No, I'll be sitting there like this daydreaming, and she like, what? And then I'll be like, bro, I'm not even looking at you, bro. Get out of here with that.
No, dude. It was a few times he was staring at me.
Next question was, how'd you meet the love of your life? So, I was on the phone with Yana, and then I was on the phone with Yana, and then her mama, she had the phone popped up. No, she was in the living room talking, and I heard her voice. I was like, it sounded so good. I was like, who voice is that? Yana, she like, that is my mama. Leave me alone. I'm like, yo, mama? What she look like? She showed me. I was like, yeah. Ever since then, I mean, you know.
Bye. You're a fool.
I've been doing what you know. And now she's my stepdaughter or my...
Never step nothing. I need that stuff. Ain't no step nothing.
We started off as close friends. Now she's my stepdaughter.
That's not how the
But her cousin is my bro. He used to be on straight BS. You said what? What you
You
said?
talking about Derek?
Yeah. Dude, Derek be tripping.
He be tripping. That boy need to calm down.
That's because you be playing with him though.
No, No, that be you playing with him, most definitely.
You want to go there? Because you definitely be playing with that dude.
No.
Well, so we're sitting here eating. We about to watch a movie. Well, lights out.
Lifetime.
I said lights out, but
No. Jake.
you got 2 more.
I want you to do that.
Okay. But yeah. Talk to y'all later. See y'all in the next video.
You smacking this stuff off in that ear.
Peace out. Remember the club guys? How you do that TikTok?
And then you go like this.
Sing the song.
I don't know how the song go. I
Peace out.
haven't seen that TikTok in months.
Yeah.
Are we done on the video yet?
Yeah. I'm about to eat my food, show my wife and my daughter.
Bye. I'm not your daughter.
See you later.
Cut the camera off.
No.